Okay.
And action.
Chance, we've got to leave here at once. Everything's packed. Call a car.
Go back up to the room. I told you to wait there for me.
I did. I waited forever. You didn't come back. Even after I heard you calling my car horns and I ran to the window and saw you coming back here. You didn't come back for me. I had you paged, but you wouldn't answer the page boy. Chance, face it. For once in your life, face something. Your comeback is as much a failure as mine was. You can't go back. We've got to go on together. We belong to each other.
There's no connection between us.
Then why are you traveling with me?
For this one night. A chance to go back to my youth.
You're still young, Chance.
Princess. The age of some people can only be calculated by the level of rot in them. By that measure, I'm ancient.
What am I then?
Dead. Dead as old Egypt.
All right. Well, if that's right, then we belong to each other.
Give me this one night. The night you're buying me with. To try to prove that we're done. If I belong with you, I'll face it tomorrow. I'll wake you up in my arms, and if you're breathless, I'll give you your oxygen. The pigeons will be gulls, or the gulls will be pigeons with laryngitis. I'll be your caretaker, love. Practical, not cold. Mercenary, but tender. In 5 years' time, I'll be all through with my youth, and you'll be all through with me. That's the deal if we go on together tomorrow. But please, let go of me now.
All night, I've kept hearing that same sound. A sort of lament that drifts through the air of this place. I can't bear it any longer. I've heard it too many years, Chance. In all of my exile places. Tangier, Monte Carlo, the island of Cyprus, palm gardens around Mediterranean hotels, olive groves in Mediterranean islands. It says lost to me. Lost. Lost. All that I lost with my youth. That sweet bird that suddenly, someday, flies away from your heart and leaves you with someone like me, and me with someone like you. Hear it. Try to hear it, darling. It tells us to go on along. Come on. Let's go on along the old Spanish trail. Grab the car, let's go.
Go back up to your room.
I won't go back up there alone.
They have wheelchairs for the invalids in the hotel. Would you like me to call one for you? Wheelchair! Wheelchair for the princess!